Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 1 to 2 niches so your work attracts the right clients. Once done, define 5 specific services with clear deliverables. Next, build a compact portfolio. Include your 3 strongest projects plus a short 30 to 60-second intro video so clients see results fast. Then set up profiles on 2 platforms and craft a reusable pitch template you can tweak. This gets you applying to jobs immediately and avoids wasting time on brand new templates each time. You now move into execution. Set clear price ranges and match them to realistic timelines. Half-day tasks up to weekly projects, so clients know expectations. When writing proposals, always list 3 benefits, a concise timeline, and a single call to action. Make sure to personalize 1 sentence per client. Use a simple contract and enable time tracking for hourly work and define 1 to 2 revision rounds up front. These practices reduce scope creep and make delivery predictable for both you and the client. You wrap up by delivering final files alongside a short summary and usage instructions. Include source files only if that was agreed. Then invoice promptly using clear payment terms such as Net 7 or Net 14 and ask for a review to build reputation. To grow, offer 1 relevant upsell after delivery. If things go wrong, missed deadline or scope dispute, pause, communicate the issue, propose a concrete fix with a new deadline, and document the resolution to protect future work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.